these words to you. Welcome back, Okay, so I'll give you a little insight into how this works. This is our very first night of 3 nights that we get to play in Amsterdam. Right? It's good. It's very good that you've done that for us. You've given us the ability to do 3 shows in this beautiful stadium with beautiful people, and I never know what kind of crowd we are going to be spending our evening with until I pop up out from under the stage. Let me just tell you, the first impression that you have just left on me, I came out of here and I just went. You're fully in the moment. You seem to have memorized every single lyric because you are screaming them. On top of that, I know how much preparation and time and planning and travel on some accounts it takes to get to a show. I'm looking out into the crowd, I'm seeing how much effort went into these outfits, and I just wanted to say, thank you not just for being with us tonight, but for everything that you did, every decision you made in order to plan to be with us tonight. I am so excited to be with you tonight. We've already been off to an incredible start this evening because you got to see one of the best bands ever. And I am, of course, talking about the ridiculously talented, the effortlessly charismatic Paramore. So here's the thing, you and I, we're about to go on a whole adventure, and that adventure is going to span 18 years of music, and we're going to be doing this one era at a time. How does that sound to you? Alright, so here's the thing, you're about to hear a lot of songs. And these are songs I either wrote about my feelings, something that happened in my life, or something I invented in my imagination. And maybe that's what you think about when you hear these songs out in the world.